No, Nonso nkwa. Ekperima da ask this ekperima waiting position for seminary school. This Nonso nkwa. Ask her waiting position for seminary school. Waiting in thief for seminary school we made them rusticator. Go check him mother character. Now always children of Umu-Oparaomume. Now drag him mama. Come back from Ogo in Enugu State. Tomorrow, there is something going on. Tomorrow, these people went to that village I mentioned, Umu-Oparaomume, and they have a land dispute with people from the community of this Ekperima, the kindred of this Ekperima, Nonso, Umu-Oparaomume. And all of them have, all the kindreds are inside the same village. Then that village is in the same town with the Imo State Deputy Governor, which is this woman, Ijele. Now ask yourself, how come such a thing is happening in the community of a deputy governor of a state and she doesn't know? They want to force this community to sign out their land tomorrow, Friday, February 13th. February 13th was the deadline they gave every single family to come and sign away their land at their camp in Ijele. This Nonso, this is the same person that have been calling for the removal of the tiger base. Like I've told you people, they want to remove the security and weaken the security architecture of Imo State, so they will be free to unleash mayhem on you people. They want to unleash mayhem on the community, but because there is presence of law enforcement, they can't be able to operate, and they are threatening those people that any family that did not come to sign away their land tomorrow Friday, that they will come there, burn down the houses and buy people from that family. Remember, Gentle has already done this one in Okigwe. Yes, it's the same thing everywhere. This is what they want to institute in your land. They want to make you a slave. Those of us that did not allow these people to set up camps in our communities were not aware of how lucky we are. If you don't have IPOP ESN camp in your community, you don't know how lucky you are. Your community should be thankful. Thank people like us that started screaming very early. There is absolutely nothing I told you these people will do they've not done. Now it's telling people to sign away their lands in their country. By the time this smoke blows away, you will see how many communities that lost their lands. Now this is a land that this community won all the way from Umunna to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court case was settled in 2018. They have the judgment. So what the Supreme Court of Nigeria said can be overturned by these criminals, Umundoshi. Criminals that are there to exploit people, kidnap, make money, but because they are carrying Biafra flag, Utobo like you are there supporting them. No, Nonso nkwa. Ekperima da ask this ekperima waiting position for seminary school. This Nonso nkwa. Ask her waiting position for seminary school, waiting in thief for seminary school we made them rusticator. But somehow now you want bring you salvation. That character is still carrying. Many people do many rough things when they're small, but as you grow older, you leave all those things behind. But this one is still there in blood. Go check him mother character. There is something, there is an ever-abiding characteristic surrounding these people. Now always children of Umu-Oparaomume. Now drag in mama. Come back from Ogo in Enugu State. The day you will hear the family history of this Ekperima, those of you that when you see someone on social media sounding nice, telling you what you want to hear, you embrace them with both hearts. This is the type of people that are bringing you freedom. A land matter that has been settled by the Supreme Court. I've asked you people, if they can force you to sit at home, what else can they force you to do? You people don't even know when you lose your freedoms. Many of you, they will be cutting away your freedom. Sometimes I do ask myself, how come a bunch of people sat down and let a group of people started catching them and selling them as slaves long before the white people came over. Remember, they've been selling people long before the white people came. Then you see what is happening before you. The same thing that led to slavery. A group of people that will band themselves together and start using threat and violence on the general population. Because they are too cowardly, they will keep quiet. Person will spit on you, you don't do anything. Oga, expect slap. After slap, you don't know what else will go full on. You feel the separation of your head from your shoulders. Yes. Now the thing where then they do for their tomorrow, now this one will happen. Those of us where they close to the deputy governor, tell them, ask them waiting they sub for her community. Mona, help me tag this useless eye person. Help me tag her. Okay, you are now a real estate agent. The freedom never come. Una don't they lose on a land. When they finally give on this Biafra, check all of them. Emmanuel Kano, currently, on I know this pastor, somebody Uche. What's his name? What's the name of that pastor? Somebody Uche, a very popular pastor in the southeast. Emmanuel Kano, they go dragging land where you buy. The community people don't win their case against her. And I hear say still they use Zone 9 police, AIG office. This AIG now from Umu-Oparaomume, the same Umu-Oparaomume where this one operates from. They go live waiting they supposed to do. And they understand waiting with the talk. All the thing where they complain. No being they come to fruition like this. Nonso, why don't you go and buy land? Now here want see money we want to do your political campaign. If we know Biaje no kaifo. Biaje kaifo, should be none of us there. Come go make we see. Unyoshi. Oh, you think say all these ones now they want put you for office. You go here when you go lost, you go just disappear. This one a Biafra fraud. No only land on our one use and thief. Yeah? Native on our one use and thief. No so kwa here on make unu. Alana gugu na ada jegorana. Nature ye na gunu. You want a society where somebody will come out tomorrow and just declare your own property his. Community property. Community property. You know, say they turn themselves to court. Too. Yes, many of the matter where they will be caught. Now so they cannot go there. Now them be judge now, jury, executioner. People go there for land matter. They know who they want dasher. The other person they go tell you say their oracle. Say no be your own. Say they go buy the person. They get the one where they call Oriozu there. You go first before people go call you go cut. They go roast one hand like this. Bring her for you go chop her for on the front to tell her and say he's serious. This is what they brought in Alambi Toli. This is what they brought in Mbitoli. This is what they brought in Mbitoli. Ndine weterunu freedom. People will say they want to bring freedom for now. Make communities sign off their land to you. Igadi dey be gonna allow. Igadi one way be na allow. Adika agebe gikrekere liye shigi side liye ofoku side liye nkenu side liye mpaka gebe nu liye ofu isaka gebe nu oye na agu nu onwu ye na agu nu ndo shi maka agbachiro no nketi. When Tiger Bears come operation now, they go say that they pursue innocent Imo youth. I don't ask now who command the soldiers with the operation there before. Now who command those soldiers? Because if soldiers they there and hold on, you understand? Army the operation there, then they shout, oh, they buy you to and call come, say they command the military. If the military clear that camp, how this Nonso go meet those communities, say they go be Unyoshi, Obodogi man go off man, Edima, Obodogi man go off man. But those of you from Umunoha, when your people saw Nonso as the leaders of this IPOB nonsense, didn't that tell you people that this must be a fraud? He was on radio confusing you people. When you hear something that suits your ears, you won't even think it critically. No questioning of anything. This was well, I purposely asked them to book me on his radio station because I wanted to disgrace him. You know, when he ran away, he delegated duty to another person. He ran away. He knows now. Will he deny? I will follow you people. Any information you people let me know. Imagine they went and top old men in your communities. You kept quiet. Really? Una watching kete. Ndagadi. Kaje tiye. Una watching kete. Ha. Why Why they no go thief on a land? Because they promise you Biafra. Where is the Biafra existing? Biafra na Bia Chinyere Komare Jewe deputy governor. Why you Bia Habia no ni mo yaruwa Biafra? O nwere ihe dị ka Biafra, nwa Chinyere Komare anọghọ n'ime ọhịa dị ya n'Eziora. Why ụmụ ya dị ebu egbe? Because nothing like that. There is absolutely nothing as such. Manunu wazi abịadi unu unu nọ n'ime ọhịa na anwụ necha ndị oshi bịa na bi wetara unu Biafra ihere megbukwu unu bunch of illiterates, bunch of. If you don't reject Biafra and everything that comes with it, unu enweghị ike izu ike. If you don't reject Biafra and everything that comes with it, you people will keep experiencing this injustice. Because supporting Biafra is supporting injustice. Why crying victim? That is why you are taking the share of that injustice. From nowhere, you are going to call Unu, Piakamune Burunishinaba. Or the Sechereche Naba, go yago. Nonso nkwa ndị freedom. Nonso nkwa family unu makwa na family uba unu makwa na ofuma. Mma nonso nkwa na ụmụnne ndị nwoke adị na mma. Only daughter. Na-check godu na ụdịrị family na-ewetara unu na-ewetara unu ihe ọma. Ewetala ha ole. Yeah. You people disgust me. Like enough like this, on a come the way you say behave, brain how dead all day, like electricity are dead in there. Uburo na de kume. You get happen do ocean. Is there no can do ocean agu sign out alone. Nonso nkwa jenu je gorana. Ana na agụ gị Nonso nkwa je gorana na ụmụ ibe gị na-agba mbọ. Ndị ọgbọ gị na-agba mbọ. Obodo ibe a na-eje jide ejebe. Local champion unu oshi. Ndị ọzọ rụcha alọta unu rọbụcha ha enye gị percentage. Anumpama jobless fool. They come run for 2027 election. Bia we near Kaifo, Nimo State in Kaya. Nimo State in Kaya. That try here Kaifo. Bia waya, let's see. Unuoshi. Ebedi mojo. Criminals. Isura and the mother na gunu. Isura and the mother na gunu. Me believe. Let me block one also. Ndoshi. Ndoshi. Jewere di ananum. Bia dikaya kaimu. You see, those of you that have already stolen people's land, don't assume this one will last forever. And who is regularizing the document for you people in the Ministry of Lands? Who is regularizing this thing for you people? Umuzu. Ministry of Land. They need to go back. You see, all these lands that were signed off under duress, the Imo state government needs to void all of them. All of them should be voided. Ndoshi. She don't say when they find Fulani herdsmen. Where the Fulani herdsmen, when I don't catch one. And so then be they buy people everywhere there. They shout Fulani herdsmen. She they tell on at that time. This Mbitoli own started since 2017. 2017. I was telling you people, no wonder they made this thing. No wonder these people they made this thing. Umu-Oparaomume Imo. Very set of people. Ara ga-agbachicha unu niile ntị akwa ifuru unu. Don't worry, ka anyị na-ejegodu.